If you're looking for the best welding machine in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, automotive fabricator, professional welder, or workshop owner, choosing the right machine can dramatically improve weld quality, productivity, and overall project success. Today, we're counting down the 5 best welding machines available right now based on versatility, performance, advanced features, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the HZXVOGEN HVM200. This compact 3-in-1 welding machine combines MIG, MMA stick welding, and lift TIG functionality in a lightweight and portable package. One of its standout features is its intelligent Synergic control system. This automatically adjusts welding parameters, making it especially beginner-friendly, while still delivering reliable results for experienced users. The gasless MIG capability makes it perfect for outdoor projects where shielding gas isn't practical. Its inverter technology provides stable arc performance, reduced power consumption, and smooth operation across a wide range of applications. For homeowners, hobbyists, and light fabrication work, the HZXVOGEN 200 offers impressive flexibility at an affordable price point. Coming in at number 4 is the HITBOX 145A 4-in-1 multi-process welder. This machine expands your welding options by supporting MIG, gasless flux core MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding. What really helps it stand out is spool gun compatibility, allowing users to tackle aluminum welding projects more effectively than many machines in its class. The large LED display provides clear visibility of settings and welding parameters, improving convenience during operation. Thanks to its modern inverter design, users can expect smooth arc starts, stable performance, and excellent portability. For welders who want versatility without stepping into professional-level pricing, the HITBOX 145A strikes an excellent balance between features and value. At number 3, we have the feature-packed FEMEROL 6-in-1 welding machine. Versatility is the name of the game here. This machine supports gas MIG, gasless flux core welding, stick welding, lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun compatibility for aluminum projects. Its dual voltage capability allows operation on both 110-volt and 220-volt power sources, providing excellent flexibility for home garages and professional workshops alike. The machine is designed to handle a wide range of materials, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. For users seeking maximum functionality from a single machine, the FEMEROL offers one of the most complete welding packages in this category. Taking second place is the powerful HZXVOGEN MIG 250. This advanced 5-in-1 welding machine is designed for serious users who demand higher performance and greater versatility. It supports stick welding, gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and one of its most valuable features, single pulse welding. Pulse technology helps improve weld quality, reduce spatter, and deliver cleaner results, especially when working with aluminum. Its Synergic control system automatically optimizes welding parameters, helping users achieve professional-grade welds with greater consistency. Its dual voltage capability and higher output power make it an excellent choice for fabrication shops, automotive work, and demanding welding projects. This machine delivers premium performance without entering the price range of industrial equipment. Claiming the number 1 spot is the HTB 250P AC/DC TIG welder. This machine operates in a completely different league. Unlike standard lift TIG systems, the HTB 250P offers professional-grade AC and DC TIG welding capabilities. That means exceptional performance on aluminum, stainless steel, and a wide variety of other metals. Its high-frequency arc starting system provides smooth and precise arc initiation without contaminating the workpiece. The built-in pulse welding function allows greater heat control, improved weld appearance, and enhanced precision on thin materials. Additional professional features such as 2T and 4T trigger modes further increase comfort during extended welding sessions. For serious fabricators, aluminum specialists, and professionals seeking top-tier welding performance, the HTB 250P stands as our best overall welding machine of 2026. Those were our picks for the top 5 welding machines of 2026. Which one would you choose for your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides from Global Deal Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.